Hey guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I'm gonna share with you all of the groceries that I got along with our meal plan. I have the meal plan all written out. So this is for my family of 4, me and my husband and my 2 boys. And this is everything we're having for the week. I do one big Walmart grocery haul and plan everything out for the week. I like to keep my budget under $200 each week, and that includes all of our food. We very rarely eat out. So I don't really include eating out in our food budget, which is $200 a week. So I'm gonna share with you everything that I got. If you enjoy grocery haul videos and meal planning and meal prepping ideas, make sure you click subscribe to my channel. Tons of meal prepping and meal planning here on my channel. Lots of easy recipes. We are super busy. My kids have so many activities. So if you need quick and easy meals that the whole family enjoys, definitely click subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna show you everything I got. And so I like to keep the budget under $200. So this week I was under budget and I even got a couple extra things. I got some toilet paper that I don't have up here on the counter, some baggies, some shampoo, so a couple of other things, and I was still at $195. So I love keeping it under budget, and that's why I plan everything out so I make sure we don't have any food waste. All right, I'm gonna show you everything I got. Okay, so here is everything from the pickup. So I will start over here. I kind of put the breakfast type items over here. We go through 2 18 packs of eggs each week. We eat lots of eggs. I have been getting 2 boxes of the multigrain Cheerios because if you get 2 boxes at a time, there's a clickable coupon, so you save $1. So that will last us a while, but I like saving $1, so 50 cents per box in savings is awesome. So got a big box of pancake waffle mix, some green tea. I don't drink coffee, but I definitely drink green tea and I love it. I just get the regular Great Value brand. It's totally good. I like it. I got some string cheese for snacks, some regular sliced cheese for sandwiches, some yogurt. My husband loves yogurt and he adds on some walnuts and some blueberries with his vanilla Greek yogurt. Our whole milk that we get for the week. Back here is 2 things of almond milk. My husband uses these for his smoothies and protein shakes. So he goes through almost 2 of those a week. It depends, but I wanted to stock up for us. Here's some of our veggies, frozen edamame, which is so easy. You just pop it in the microwave and it steams in the bag. My kids love these, so definitely having edamame this week. Some zucchini, I love. Broccoli is our favorite vegetable. So I just buy this it's like already chopped up broccoli. It's just very convenient. You can steam it in the bag or you can steam it on the stove in a steamer, but just super convenient to have. I'm gonna do, we're having some people over for a taco night, so I'm gonna do 2 options, taco option and then a salad option, and they can add all of the taco toppings to the salad. So need some lettuce for that. This is my favorite ever Caesar dressing. I always make sure that we never run out of this in our house, but it is the Lighthouse brand and it's like a thicker dressing. It's called a dressing and spread, but it is absolutely delicious. Hands down, my favorite dressing. Some cooking spray. They actually substituted this one. I ordered a different one, but it'll be fine. It's canola oil cooking spray. Croutons for salad. A bunch of avocados. We love avocados with our eggs. Love it on salads and all kinds of different things. So big avocado fans. My family eats like a bazillion apples a week. So hopefully this big, huge bag lasts us. I think I got 10 apples in this bag. So hopefully it lasts us. We eat a ton of apples. I got some little orange mandarins. They're so yummy. I'm going to put these in our soccer snack packs along with the string cheese over here. I'm going to put string cheese in the soccer treat bags for this week. So I got some fajita seasonings because we're going to do that taco night that I mentioned, and going to season up some chicken. We'll cook it on the Blackstone, but this fajita seasoning, it's really good and so easy. So you can definitely, make your own seasoning out of everything individually, but these packets are awesome. A big thing of ground beef. We're gonna do smash burgers for dinner one night. I got 2 things of chicken because we love chicken. So 2 packs down here. These I get all the time. If you've been around my channel, you've seen these mini tortilla bowls, and you just make little tacos in them. They're super fun for the kids. Regular taco shells. I have been craving pickles, so I got these dill pickle chips. It was a big thing of them, and it was like less than $2. I think this was $1.62 for this whole jar of pickles. Big thing of peanut butter. We definitely go through a lot of peanut butter. Pizza we're gonna have for dinner one night. I get about a bag of these every week in my grocery pickup. My whole family is really into pistachios right now as a snack. I got a can of corn that I wanted for a recipe. Grapes, bananas. We love tons of fruit, so definitely lots of fruit every week. For the taco night we're having, got lots of tortillas, regular tortillas, and then I got these carb balanced tortillas that I love. They're really, really good. Some chips, and then like I mentioned, I got some extras this week. I got toilet paper, but I also got some shampoo, some sandwich bags. I just get the great value on like lots of things you can see, but sandwich bags especially, they're so much cheaper than the Ziploc brand. So big box of these, 300, so they'll last us quite a while. Some hamburger buns for the night we have smash burgers. So this is all of the groceries. So let me get the meal plan that I wrote down. So last night when I was doing the grocery order, I had everyone in the family give me an idea of what they wanted for dinner. So I don't mind at all cooking every single night, but sometimes I just run out of ideas. So everyone got a say in what we're having for dinner this week. So we're going to do lemon chicken on Sunday. On Monday, we're going to do chicken divan. It's the most delicious casserole. It's hands down my favorite ever. We're going to do taco bar on Tuesday. Wednesday, it's supposed to rain, so I thought I'd do a crock pot chicken noodle soup. Zachary, he wanted to do tortellini. I misspelled that on my little paper, but he wanted to do tortellini for dinner one night. Benjamin wanted to do pizza for dinner. That's why we got the DiGiorno, because it's our favorite frozen pizza. And we're gonna do smash burgers. My husband requested smash burgers for Saturday. So everyone got their say in what we're having. And then these are all the groceries that we're gonna use for it. So I hope that you enjoyed this grocery haul. This is what we're having for the week. I hope that you have a really awesome week this week. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.